Using Hotels.com gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to book accommodations easily. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card effectively. Step 1. Visit Hotels.com. Go to the Hotels.com website or open the Hotels.com app on your device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to browse available hotels. Step 2. Search for accommodations. Enter your desired destination, check-in and check-out dates, and the number of guests. Click on the search button to view available hotels that meet your criteria. Step 3. Select your hotel. Browse through the list of hotels and select the one that suits your needs. Click on the hotel to view more details, including rates, amenities, and cancellation policies. Step 4. Proceed to checkout. Once you have chosen your hotel, click on the Book Now or Reserve button. You will be directed to the checkout page where you can review your booking details. Step 5. Enter gift card information. On the payment page, look for the option to enter a gift card. Input the gift card number and any required PIN. Ensure that the total amount of your booking does not exceed the value of the gift card, or you will need to provide an additional payment method for the remaining balance. Once you have completed these steps, confirm your booking and you will receive a confirmation email. Enjoy your stay.